Hey everyone, today we are making a seamless plaid pattern in Procreate, and this is honestly one of beginners' favorite to make because it's built entirely from straight lines, no drawing skills needed, no complicated shapes, just lines, blend moves, and a little bit of magic. So let's get into it. Quick note before we start, I'm working on a 3000 by 3000 pixels canvas at 300 dpi. That's it, super simple setup. Alright, we are going to start by drawing a sequence of vertical stripes. The cleanest way to do this in Procreate is with the selection tool. Tap the S icon and choose rectangle. And drag a rectangle across the full height of the canvas at whatever width you want your stripe to be. Then just drag your color into it to fill it. Clean, sharp edges every time. I'm going with different tones of green. You can pick your favorite color and work with its tones. This gives the Plaid such a rich and layered look. Now, instead of drawing every stripe from scratch, I duplicate the rectangle and then recolor the copy with a new tone. And use the transform tool in freeform mode to resize it into a different white. My goal here is to build a sequence of 4 rectangles side by side and each slightly different shade. You can think of this as your Plaid score. Now select your vertical stripe layer and tap duplicate and use the transform tool to rotate it 90 degrees so it runs across the canvas horizontally. I want this one in a slightly different tone of green, so I recolor it first and now duplicate it and start filling upward. I also want to add some thinner stripes in between for detail. I create a new layer and use the selection tool again to draw a thinner rectangle. And I fill it with a contrasting tone. Then duplicate it and place a few of them throughout the sequence. Just play around here. There is genuinely no wrong answer. Keep it as simple or as detailed as you want. Don't forget, it's your pattern. Keep duplicating and placing until your stripes fill the entire canvas top to bottom. Once the canvas is full, pinch all the horizontal stripe layers together to merge them into one single layer. Here is where it starts to really look like Plaid. Tap your merged stripe layer and hit duplicate. Now tap the transform tool and rotate it exactly 90 degrees. And just like that, stripes going both directions. Right now the vertical layer is just sitting on top and blocking the horizontal stripes underneath. We need to make them interact like a real woven fabric. Tap the vertical stripe layer and on the left side of the layer panel you will see the letter N. You're gonna have lots of options. Try multiply first. This one darkens where the layers overlap and gives that rich woven look I love. My personal favorite is multiply at around 70 or 80% opacity. It looks like the most like real fabric to me. Just play around, there is no single right answer here, just what looks good to your eye. Okay, this is a step that makes everything tile perfectly. Select both your stripe layers, horizontal and vertical, and pinch them together to merge into one layer. Now duplicate that merged layer 4 more times, so you have 4 identical copies total. And keep your original safe, we work from the copies. Alright, for the copy 1 with the transform tool in freeform mode, grab the bottom right corner and drag it to the exact center of the canvas. And copy 2, grab the bottom left corner and drag it to the center. Move on to the copy 3, grab the top right corner and drag it to the center. And the last one, grab the top left corner and drag it to the center. Alright, all 4 copies should now fit together like tiles. Zoom in and check the center where the 4 copies meet. And then select all 4 layers and pinch to merge. And that is your seamless Plaid pattern. I love how satisfying this one looks when it ties up. And there is your seamless Plaid, so satisfying when it ties up perfectly. If this helped you, my Skillshare classes go much deeper into Procreate classes and illustration classes. Link is below. First one is free, so go enjoy. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.